And if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Be aware of where you may go. Life can turn and leave you frozen in the snow. And oh, the echoes of the night, like angels' whispers, fading light, a heart that aches, a soul that yearns for the fire of dreams. Let it burn. And shadows cast by a distant sun, feeling lost like the lonely ones. Radiohead plays on an empty street. Their haunting notes make my heart skip a beat. And oh, the echoes of the night, like angels' whispers, fading light, a heart that aches, a soul that yearns for the fire of dreams. Let it burn. Hold fast to dreams, don't let them go. For a life without hope is a heavy load. In the barren field where the wild winds blow, let the seeds of our dreams begin to grow. Life is a broken-winged bird, but we'll find our wings, let our voices be heard. Hold fast to dreams, let our spirits fly. Let the fire burn.